vegetable fishball soup is truly delicious, isn't it? Everyone loves it. Make sure to save today's recipe and make it to share with your family.
Absolutely. Yaomak fish ball soup is both easy to make and delicious. Personally, I think the flavor and texture of both ingredients are a perfect match. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients: Yaomak vegetables, fish balls, danchai, jichai, shiitake mushrooms. For 2 to 3 servings, just a small piece of jichai is enough. The jichai adds a savory and salty note to the soup, while cooking it with preserved winter vegetable enhances its complexity. The resulting broth is deliciously flavorful and deeply satisfying. Wash clean and sliced mushroom. Wash clean and cut Yaomak vegetables into sections. Add water to the pot along with the jichai, mushroom slices, and preserved winter vegetable. Then bring to a boil. For a soup serving to 2 to 3 people, add about 1 to 1.2 liters of water. The amount can be adjusted slightly based on preference, but ensure all ingredients are fully submerged. Bring the soup to a boil, then let it simmer covered for 3 minutes. After that, add the fish balls and cook until they float to the surface and expand. The snow white, plump fish balls look absolutely adorable. Add Yaomak and cook for another minute. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Personally, I think a heavier hand with the pepper makes it even more delicious. The steaming hot Yaomak and fish ball soup is now ready. Serve and enjoy. The broth made with pickled mustard tuber and preserved winter vegetable is savory and rich with deep layers of flavor. The addition of shiitake mushrooms gives it an earthy aroma, while the oilseed rape adds a crisp and refreshing contrast. The fish balls are springy and tender, melting in your mouth and blending perfectly with the soup. Overall, it's an aromatic and comforting bowl that feels satisfying with every spoonful. Fish balls are rich in high-quality protein, which supports muscle repair and growth. They are generally low in fat, especially when steamed or boiled. Fish balls contain minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which promote bone health. Their soft texture makes them easy to digest, suitable for all ages. Pickled mustard tuber zatsai is a type of preserved vegetable made from mustard stem, known for its crisp texture and savory salty flavor with a hint of natural umami. When used in soups, it infuses the broth with a distinctive salty and tangy depth, enhancing the overall taste with layered complexity. Its subtle acidity and saltiness help balance rich ingredients like meat or fish, making the soup both refreshing and satisfying. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.